I'm representing that. Earlier I was not aware of the concept of this. After the presentation and everything, I don't know how much I can help you, but I got to know about this, and our founder is associated with another company that is related with the clean tech field. So I'll definitely convince him to come to this, and basically we are associated with IIT Kharagpur, and they are coming up with sodium-ion batteries. So they have developed a prototype as well. So I will convince him to come to this, to participate here, so that.
That would be really great help, because in clean tech there are very few companies working in this direction. So we have the pavilion. If you can come and you can get some more people, that would be really great help.
Yeah, we can discuss this pain points as well. So that's what I was asking. If the startups they can discuss their pain points. If there is some roundtable discussion on that, and they can help get the help from there. So that would be really helpful.
Great.
And from my end, what I can do is I work in this agency and we work for startups. So majorly we are covering the MSME well. So we provide marketing solutions to them. So it's been 1 year we are working here. So we have around 5 to 6 clients. I can convince them as well to visit here.
That would really be a great help. One more help I will be demanding from you, because you are into digital marketing. वेस्ट बंगाल में एक भी स्टार्टअप ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए जिसको स्टार्टअप मार्को 4.0 के बारे में नहीं पता है. ये रिस्पांसिबिलिटी किस संबंधिता की होगी? Everybody agrees to that?
Yes.
They should not be missing this opportunity, ना?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. आप अपने सारे कंपनी में लिख दीजिए whatever is the company name, Miss Anandita, whatever. I'm okay, and I will also thank you for that. कि कोई वेस्ट बंगाल की पूरा इंडिया को पता चला जी किसने ये किया है. But वेस्ट बंगाल से एक भी स्टार्टअप ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए जिसको ये पता ना हो. Means today before coming, I think most of you will not be knowing what we are going to discuss here.
Yeah,
right?
Absolutely.
हाँ, तो कुछ कंस्ट्रक्टिव होगा, सभी के लिए होगा. Thank you. Please, ma'am.
Hello. My name is Dr. Shamshukla Sen Sharma. I'm 78 years plus. I was an Union Public Service Commission cadre in the Department of Industrial Development. The Industrial Development has been transferred to the Department of Industrial Promotion and Policy, and that department now is the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, which has given birth to this startup. It's like that. So, in between, there are a lot of other agencies and other organizations came up, like National Innovation Foundation, which was housed in Ahmedabad. I was the state coordinator for West Bengal. Then there is another is National Innovation Council, which is housed in India Habitat Center. Now, I don't know what the startup is the new thing. This is number one. And there are a lot of agencies and other government bodies, agencies, who are helping these small scale industries like MSME sectors, starting from MSME Development Institute. And today I came as a listener. Without any commitment, I came as a listener that what brings this is a new one. And whether it is fruitful or not. By the way, I was also a Z assessor, zero effect and zero defect. So Z policy did not came out in a well manner. Because there are mother standard organizations from ISO and others who are dominating the market. Now, even for the minor industries, how startup can be help them, and how it will be a feasible potential market will be in our country. I am not sure. That's why I cannot commit today anything, but I am a good listener. I will listen to the end. Thank you.
Anybody want to ask anything from sir?
Yeah.
I was
You were talking
expecting.
about incubation center, you were talking about product development. What kind of support we can get from a product development point of view? We have developed certain products, but how that product can be translated to production lane. That is important for us.
No, I am a listener. I am not sure what is the startup, what is the function and activities of startup. What is the function? This is only the helping and making facilitation of these small scale industries. Especially the small scale, not the mainstream industries. Not the mainstream industry, only the innovative industries. Innovative technologies, and how to scale up it in the commercial scale, this type of thing. So that is not the point. There are a lot of businesses. What I mentor or I facilitate is that like a consultant of a mainstream industries.
So I have a question for you, sir. How your listening would help this whole startup community? You said I am the listener.
Yes. Why? Because
If you are listening, that is okay. How your listening would help this whole community? I want to know that.
because I usually mix with a lot of people for networking, and they will extract some of the knowledge from me.
That is for you.
That for them. They will extract some of the knowledge from them. The reason being, there is one Indian Association for Startup Association. The president
Can I demand something from you?
how come?
Whatever you will do, you have a rich experience, 70 plus years, you work with so fantastic organizations, Just just ask them to at least, they should also be participating.
No, I'm not sure about the fate of this.
You're not sure. You don't make any commitment.
That's why I cannot make any commitment.
Sir, I'm not asking for any commitment. I'm just asking for pushing them to take participation here.
Yes.
Whether they will or they will not, I will not ask any question to you.
I have already propagated it to several consultants and other business organizations
About this startup,
to attend this.
great. No, this startup Mahakumbh 4.0. All those organizations should also be participating. Just tell them whether they contribute, not contribute, doesn't make a difference.
Now, I cannot say them because whether I can recommend them.
Recommend. That's it.
Yes,
That's it.
that already I told you.
So,
you have already talked to one of my ex-colleagues in Delhi who is also director. I'm telling his name.
So you are committing for one thing. You are committing. You will be recommending those people.
Whether if somebody attends
Okay.
the move from 20th June to 30th June at this Joshua Congress Center, whether anybody will be benefited or not. If someone not benefited, they cannot.
That is our responsibility. This is our responsibility. You simply recommend that. Will that be okay?
Okay, I will recommend.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Please.
Good evening all. I am Shankar Goyal. I am representing State Library. So basically मैं थोड़ा ब्रीफ में बोल देता हूँ. हम लोग basically CSR implement करते हैं in education. We set up STEM labs into the government schools basically. We dedicate the difference between private school and government school. क्योंकि government school के बच्चे की भी बहुत मेरिट होती है. लेकिन क्या होता है हम लोग क्योंकि थ्योरीज पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जाता है. एंड्रॉइड मॉडल्स नहीं देखते हैं वो लोग. क्या होता है 10th तक जाके जब हम लोग को एक्चुअली डिसीजन लेना होता है कि हम लोग कौन सा स्कीम में जाएंगे तो हम लोग टैप आउट कर जाते हैं कि ठीक है चलो आर्ट्स ले लो. लेकिन मेरे स्कूल के पास होता है क्लास 6-7 तक का. अगर किसी भी स्टूडेंट को पूछोगे 60% तो स्टूडेंट यही बोलता है कि हमको इंजीनियर बनना है, डॉक्टर बनना है, पायलट बनना है. लेकिन 10 तक जाते हैं तो थ्योरी मैटर के और होके साइंस से निकल जाते हैं. तो इसी डिफरेंस को हम लोग मिटाने के लिए गवर्नमेंट स्कूल पैन इंडिया लेवल पे गवर्नमेंट स्कूल हम लोग स्टेम लैब तैयार करके देते हैं. उसके साथ हम लोग टिंकरिंग लैब देते हैं. आप लोगों को पता होगा ऑटो टिंकरिंग लैब.
अब आपकी कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं?
हम लोग को सर ऑब्वियसली हम लोग जाएंगे आपका जो दिल्ली में हो रहा है स्टार्टअप एक्सपो उधर हम लोग स्टॉल लेके जाएंगे हमारा कॉलेज.
तो काफी सारे एजुकेशन कम्युनिटी के लोग, प्रिंसिपल्स एंड ऑल, ईसीआईओ, everybody will be there. So you can talk to them. Right? This will be help from our side. And how will you be contributing?
हम लोग सर जैसे जाएंगे दिल्ली में जो होगा हम लोग ऑलरेडी स्टॉल किए.
आपने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है? Okay, किस नाम से?
STEM learning.
Standard. Great. You are the founder for that.
No, I am actually working as a cluster.
Okay.
I am responsible for Bengal Mission.
Fantastic.
इधर भी जो लोग हैं उनके पास भी बहुत सारे कनेक्ट्स होंगे, तो मेरे पास ब्रोशर है.
In fact, wherever you connected in your company, your clients, previous clients, just offer them delegate pass from our side, which is actually paid. But today, all the people sitting here, we are giving them absolutely free.
Sure.
You can recommend your clients, right? They can come and get the mileage.
We have already connected it and worked with 300 plus corporates on Pan-India level. Anybody wants to know anything, you can connect me. I have brochure, you can take a look at it.
So why don't we do one thing? These 300 corporate, you simply say, boss, I am exhibiting there in the startup Marco 4.0 and this is my booth and you please all come here, we will sit in the business lounge and discuss it with you.
It's obvious we will do that.
So all 300, you just, whether they come or not, that is their decision. You at least tell them, boss, you please come here inviting you. And I am extending absolutely free delegate pass to you.
Okay, sir.
Done? Great. सारे चाय वालों को अंदर बुला के लाओ प्लीज कैरी हो गया वो लोग चाय लेके अंदर आते हैं रीता जी दरवाजा खुलवा देते हैं और उनको बोलते हैं चाय और जो भी है सैंडविचेस लेके अंदर आ जाए हाँ कोई बात नहीं
एक बार बाइकिंग कर दीजिए
और else I will go there सारे लोग वहीं जाके मीटिंग करें
There are two types of people. One is consultant and another is coach. Consultant gives free consult, but they don't help you how to get it. Okay, they just consult and take money, but coach is a person who rectifies it.
No, sorry. Consultant also answered. Consultant also answered.
There is no such
You are
nomenclature
right.
in business as a coach.
Consultant is answerable
Okay, fine.
to anything.
Okay, fine. There is no need to retaliate it. That this is my feelings. Whatever I wrote, that is my feelings. Okay, fine. No issue. Might be you are not.
So obviously he
कोई नहीं फाइट हो रहा है
just one thing. Obviously, if he takes money, if
So-
he takes free, then it is.
So I want you to be a coach who not only give advice, he also help to grow. And where the fault is, because already I have a failed startup and I am going to the second startup with it, and Mr. Romeo Mohammed is already doing that task and I am doing and facing a lot of problems there. So I hope you to be our coach actually.
You want coach
Coach and investor, being an investor is fine.
okay
But I want you to be a
means you want somebody to mentor your startup this is what you want
Mentor.
okay in which industry you are
and healthcare industry.
Healthcare.
Healthcare.
so we would be having a dedicated panel discussion also and one round table on healthcare industry so you can definitely find somebody who can become the mentor for your company as well very much possible and what will you be doing
Obviously, actually, I have not gone through the whole process actually. I will go through it.
you are exhibiting it
Not yet decided.
अभी करने वाले हैं इस मीटिंग के बाद तो करने वाले
I am coming, but I don't know how many.
हैं you are the promoter
Yeah, I am coming.
फिर सोचते हैं क्या
I am
स्टार्टअप को डिसीजन लेने में इतना टाइम लगना चाहिए
coming, but who will be assisting? Who the next startup will be there? I obviously I am associated to institute, so I will obviously discuss with them if they are ready to come. They will obviously.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, please.
Silly question. It may be silly
अच्छा मुझसे है
question.
आप पूछिए प्लीज
During your speech, you told that. During your speech, you told that 3,500 or something you will be owed for participant like this.
3000
3,500 or whatever the participation fee.
अच्छा डेलीगेट
For everybody. Yes. But my question, you are from Calcutta and your program is in Delhi. You just think about the airfare is now 8,000 to 10,000 one side. And if I go to that, there is a hotel charge also. Almost 30 to 35,000 per head approximately. Who will want? That startup who is struggling with their finance and anything, they will spend 35,000. Just think about. I am not
I can answer to your question. See, for any organization, even this is a not-for-profit organization, costing more than 4 CR. This event conducted in this venue, right? And if the fees is not being collected, though we are making it absolutely free, okay, that is again a contribution. Some of the startups are getting funds from the state government, some of them are getting some sponsors, some investors, so they have to find their own ways. आपके लिए सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते, कुछ आपको खुद भी करना पड़ेगा। एक कदम आप बढ़ाएंगे, एक कदम हम आपके साथ बढ़ाएंगे, लेकिन सिर्फ हम करेंगे ऐसा नहीं है। आपने बिजनेस करने का सोचा है, आपको प्रॉफिट कमाना है, तो आपको पे लेना पड़ेगा।
No, I'm not.
I got your point what you're trying to say. So जरूर आपने एक पॉइंट बोला एयर फेयर। बॉस मैं स्टार्टअप हूँ, मेरी जेब में पैसा नहीं है एयर फेयर का, मैं नॉर्मल स्लीपर क्लास में टिकट कराऊंगा और मैं वहाँ आऊंगा, मुझे नहीं रुकना वहाँ के टॉप आर्गन्स के होटल में, मैं किसी लाउंज में रुक जाऊंगा, बट मुझे वहाँ पहुँचना है। वो जर्नी वहीं से ही शुरू होगी, फिर वहाँ पे वो ऐसे यहीं से शुरुआत होती है। That's it. फिर एक दिन एयर फेयर से भी आएंगे, क्या चार्टर्ड से भी आएंगे, ठीक है? प्लीज
माइसेल्फ मानस, मैं पहले ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को स्टार्टअप का महाकुंभ इसको थैंक्स करना चाहता हूँ इतना मतलब सुंदर गेट टुगेदर करने के लिए और आइडिया शेयर करने के लिए। तो मैं बीइंग ए सिविल इंजीनियर एंड रियल एस्टेट एडवाइजर, मेरा स्टार्टअप हुआ है 2 साल हुआ है, मैं 12 साल से कंसल्टेंसी बिजनेस में हूँ एक्चुअली सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का। और जो रियल एस्टेट में अभी खुद से जो चालू किया है, तब मेरा फंडिंग के लिए ढूंढा था लेकिन कोई नहीं मिला, तो खुद से चालू कर दिया। तो अभी मेरे अंदर में या मेरे साथ, अंदर नहीं बोलना चाहता हूँ, मेरे साथ सबका लोग काम करता है, तो सब खुद का मतलब ठीक ठाक इनकम करता है, सब इनकम होता है। तो मुझे ये हर फंडिंग के लिए मुझे जाना है उधर, पिच देना है, सब इन्वेस्टर से मिलना है, क्योंकि मुझे हर एक सिटी में ये मतलब चालू करना है जो मेरा रियल एस्टेट का स्टार्टअप। और मेरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट में भी बहुत कनेक्शन है, आसाम, त्रिपुरा, मणिपुर।
आप मुझसे क्या चाहते हैं?
मैं यही बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि मेरे जो कनेक्शन है इसमें 10 से 12 मैं आपको श्योर दे सकता हूँ जो उधर जाएगा वो इवेंट में
एज एन एग्जीबिटर और ऐसे घूमने के लिए?
नहीं, उसको पिच करने के लिए, बोलू का स्टार्टअप का आइडिया शेयर
करने के लिए एग्जीबिटिंग है।
यस
गीता जी 12 एग्जीबिटर फ्रॉम मिस्टर मानस।
हाँ, और तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं बोलू को बोलूंगा ये महाकुंभ के बारे में,
और उनको क्लाइंट चाहिए।
हाँ,
और इन्वेस्टर चाहिए।
यस,
इन्वेस्टर मिलाने का जिम्मेदारी मेरा है, इन्वेस्टर को करेंगे नहीं करेंगे वो आप दोनों के बीच में है, बाइट दिलाने का रिस्पांसिबिलिटी हमारा है। डन?
ओके,
डील पक्की।
थैंक यू।
डील पक्की। आगे